Hi, I'm Jainam Shah from SHAH Precision Industries. We are basically into manufacturing of sheet metal items like circlips, dowel pins, wedlock washers, this type of washers which are into the anti-vibrating things. They just consume all the top of the machineries and everything. So it is for the great use. And we are into this business since 45 years ago. And this is our third generation of the business. So we are basically into the manufacturing business of disc washers, spring dowel pins, solid dowel pins, this type of push lock washers. We have disc spring washers up to 200 mm with the phosphate finish. This is our main product. This is our main product, wedlock washers. We have sizes up to 130 mm. In stainless steel as well as carbon steel. You can contact us on SHAH Precision Industries 75@gmail.com. That is our mail ID. And our website is indiancirclip.com. And our phone number is 9819 888 516. Thank you.